What's going on, you people? This is Triple J. We have a Gatorade vending machine, and I'm getting one of the yellow ones. This vending machine's $1.50. I'm not sure the name of this vending machine. I think Dixie-narrow. I can't tell. Yep, Dixie-narrow. So let's get a Gatorade. Oh wow, these dollar dispenser. This dollar thing's kind of tough. There we go. That's a tricky. Alright, let's hit this one. There's my Gatorade. Alright, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave some comments. I'll see y'all for the next video. Take care.